In this video, you'll learn how to create presentations for clients using Kimi AI. This guide will take you through the steps necessary to efficiently generate professional presentations with the help of this innovative tool. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the application. Make sure that the layout looks correct, as this is where you will initiate the presentation creation process. Next, locate the prompt area on the screen. This is typically positioned prominently near the top of the interface. Click on this prompt to activate the text input field, which allows you to enter your command for generating presentations. The interface will visually respond to your click by highlighting the prompt area, confirming that you can start typing. After that, type in the command, create presentations for clients into the input field. Ensure that you enter the phrase accurately to avoid any misunderstandings by the AI. Once you're finished typing, take a moment to review your input before proceeding. Once you are satisfied with your command, click on the Enter key to submit it. This action will signal Kimi AI to begin processing your request. You should see a brief loading indicator or progress bar indicating that the system is working on your presentation. Now wait for the AI to generate the presentation. Depending on the complexity of the request and the current server load, this may take a few moments. It is important to remain patient during this time as the system is compiling the necessary information to create a tailored presentation for your needs. After the generation process is complete, the newly created presentation will be displayed on your screen. You can review the content and make any necessary adjustments or edits before finalizing it for your client. This step is crucial as it allows you to ensure that the presentation meets your expectations and requirements before sharing it. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.